Beautiful friends, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. In this video we have a look of Wingcoin, what's the price change goes, and Wingcoin, what's the high price and what is the current change occur in a Wingcoin. I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for new video notification. I update every hour very urgent news which are very necessary for holders. Please don't miss these videos, so please subscribe now. As you can see now on the screen, friends, the wing holders, the change occur in the last one day. The price predictions of the last one day, the change as negative 12.84% change occur in the Wingcoin in the last one day. That's only the last one day change. Oh my god, what's this? What's wrong with you, Wingcoin? What's wrong? I'm also holder of Wingcoin. They broken my heart, which I look this kind of change in the Wingcoin. And same like that, the high price is $0.001695 is the high price of Wingcoin in the previous last one day period. So friends, if you look the chart analysis, so it's still us that's a continuously fast occur, gradually fast down, Wingcoin fast down. The previous last one day is a continuously falling day of the Wingcoin. I'm very sorry to say that. I'm also holder. My heart is very sad to see this kind of changes in the Wingcoin. I'm also in the loss, but don't worry, be patient. Hold your Wingcoin with the last of this month. The big explosion starts again after 5th April, so wait for it, friends. As you can see here at the last 1 hour price prediction, the last 1 hour change occur in the Wingcoin as a positive 0.38% positive change. Oh my god, I like that kind of change occur in the Wingcoin at this time, friends. As you can see now on the high price of the Wingcoin is about $0.0142 is the high price. The last 1 hour price prediction is absolutely good because they take a small jump and they recover the change. The change is positive due to this jump. And now if we look at the current situation, so again we are going loss. Again they start fast down. It's a temporary conditions of the every cryptocurrency is fast down for a little time. And now the current price predictions, the current price of the Wing is $0.001404 is the current price of Wingcoin, friends. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coins, so please do your own research. I'm only suggest for you. And I'm also holder, so my suggestion for all of Wing holders that please don't afraid, don't sell it at this time. Please hold your Wingcoin with the last of this month because we are also in the loss, so please wait for a profit when they start explosion, when they start jumping upward. So wait for this time, wait for your best time. Please hold your coin with the last of this month. That's only my plan. And what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. Your opinion is very important for me because I'm also a holder, and that will help me to make a decision for all of you. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for urgent videos notification. That's very important for you, friends. Please don't take it serious and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.